Grimmish, come down. Come back down, you cat. No. Kitty, she's so high.
Where are you going? Imagine she jumps down.
like she survived, and she's only a baby. No. Imagine she goes on there.
You know the highest cat jump from like thing is 65 feet.
Oh, yeah,
so
but
she could probably survive this.
Yeah, but this is Grimmish. Like she's not even full grown yet.
Oh, innocent Grimmish. And then she's like, Ian. Come here, boy.
You tried to get her. Yeah, but then when you